We've all been there. Your phone slides onto the dirty car floor mid-turn. Your cup holders are sticky, and you're digging between the seat gap for lost keys. You don't need to buy a $50,000 brand new vehicle to get high-tech luxury features. Today, we're looking at 10 next-level car accessories on Amazon that actually work. All budget-friendly, highly functional, and designed to level up your daily drive. No useless plastic gimmicks, just total game changers. Let's dive in. Product number 1 is the ASTROAI Portable Cordless Tire Inflator. Gas station air pumps are dirty, usually broken, and cost extra coins. This $30 handheld pump lets you set your desired PSI, auto shuts off when full, and easily fits in your glove box. The honest con? If you're inflating massive 35-inch truck or SUV tires from complete flat, the motor gets quite warm and takes 8 to 10 minutes per tire. It's an emergency lifesaver for sedans and crossover tires, but heavy-duty trucks might need an industrial compressor. Next up at number 2 is the viral drop-stop seat gap filler. The caterpillar gap between your car seat and center console is where credit cards, coins, and food go to die. This flexible neoprene insert stretches over your seatbelt catch and blocks the gap entirely. The con? If multiple people drive your car and slide the power seats forward and back constantly, the filler can occasionally bunch up or need a quick reposition. But if your seat stays fixed, you'll never drop your phone again. For number 3, we have the LISEN MAGSAFE vent mount. Cheap suction cup mounts melt off the windshield in summer heat. This mount uses a hook clip system that locks onto your vent blade and ultra-strong N52 magnets that hold your phone rock solid, even over speed bumps. However, keep in mind, because it mounts directly to your vent, turning on full-blast winter heating will blow hot air onto the back of your phone. You'll need to close that specific air vent when using heater controls. Product number 4 is the Car Cleaning Gel Putty. Dust and crumbs in cup holder corners and air vents are impossible to reach with a cloth. This $10 reusable gel conforms to tight crevices and pulls out dust instantly without leaving sticky residue. The con? You cannot leave this gel in a hot car during peak midsummer heat, or it will turn into a soft liquid mess inside its jar. Store it under your seat or bring it inside after cleaning. At number 5 is the mini cordless car vacuum. Dragging out a full-sized household vacuum or paying at a car wash is a pain. This sleek, aluminum USB-C rechargeable vacuum delivers 6,000 pascals of suction power to clean up daily mess in seconds. The downside? To keep the vacuum ultra-compact, the internal dust chamber is quite small. If you're detailing an entire dirty SUV, you'll need to empty the dust cup twice during the process. Product number 6 is the ANKER Retractable 67W Fast Car Charger. Loose charging cables turn your center console into a messy web. This plug features built-in retractable cables that pull out up to 3 feet and snap back cleanly when unplugged. The con? Because the spring-loaded retraction gear is built into the plug, it sits about 2 inches taller than standard tiny USB plugs. If your car has a 12V flip door cover, you won't be able to close the door while it's inserted. Number 7 is these leather headrest grocery hooks. Braking suddenly sends your takeout food, purse, or groceries flying across the passenger floor. These heavy-duty steel hooks wrapped in matching leather snap onto headrest poles and hold up to 45 pounds. The downside? In smaller compact hatchbacks, if you have tall passengers sitting in the rear seats, the hooks hang right near knee level. You'll want to swing them around to the front when carrying adults in back. Product number 8 is the modular trunk organizer. Loose trunk items rolling around while driving is distracting and noisy. This collapsible organizer features reinforced waterproof walls, non-slip bottom strips, and tie-down straps to keep everything locked down. The con? To collapse it 100% flat for big luggage space, you have to manually remove the rigid bottom inserts first. It takes about 30 seconds rather than an instant collapse. At number 9 are silicone car cup holder coasters. Cup holders are notorious for accumulating sticky liquid condensation and dirt that's hard to scrub out. These universal silicone coasters absorb vibrations and lift out easily to wash under warm water. The con? If your mug has a damp, smooth rubber bottom, it can occasionally create a mild suction vacuum and lift the coaster out when you pick up your drink. Finally, at number 10 is the emergency escape tool. Every car should have one of these. It combines a spring-loaded tungsten steel window breaker and a recessed seatbelt cutter that works underwater or in rollover accidents when electronic doors fail. Important safety con: spring-loaded window breakers only work on tempered side glass, not laminated windshields or newer laminated side windows. Check your car's glass stamp before relying on it. Subscribe to Stormify for more honest reviews, and tell me your favorite item below. See you next time.